What's up YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you the grid stitch. For this stitch you're going to chain a multiple of 2 plus 1 and then plus 2 after that for the foundation, which will count as a single crochet. So chain whatever amount you want. For this one I'm going to chain 20, and then I'll do the 1 and then the 2 extra after that. So do that for whatever amount you want the width of your project to be for this stitch, and I'll see you back here. Now then, once you get your chains, I've got 23 chain total. You can put a stitch marker in that very first chain since this counts as a single crochet. And now you're gonna skip this chain, and this one skips 2 chains here. And now you're gonna double crochet in this third chain here. So just put a double crochet into this one. And now then, now you'll skip the next chain, and then you're gonna put a single crochet and a double crochet into the same stitch. So you'll skip the chain, put a single crochet and a double crochet both into the same stitch here. And we're gonna repeat that process all the way along. So you'll repeat the skip a chain, single crochet and double crochet in the same chain. Repeat that until you're at the final 2 chains of the row, and I'll see you here. I'll see you back at the video. Now then, with the last 2 chains here, you're still gonna skip one of them, and instead of doing the single and double crochet into the final one, you're just gonna put a single crochet into this stitch. And that is your first row done. So for row 2 now, you're just gonna chain 1, turn your work, and that chain 1 we did right here counts as a single crochet as well. So you'll just put 1 double crochet into this first stitch. But since it's a little easier, you can put the stitch marker into that chain 1 now. Turn the work and put the double crochet into the first stitch technically, but and now you'll do the same thing as before, where you skip a stitch, now then, as I was saying, we're gonna do the same thing as the next row where we skip every time we skip, we should be skipping a double crochet and working into the single crochets the entire row here. So this right here is the double crochet, and this one's the single crochet. So you always just want to work into the the single crochets, and you don't work into any of the double crochets. So work 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into it just like before. And now skip this double crochet here and work into the single crochet. So that's all you do the whole row. Just repeat this down until the last 2 stitches, and I'll show you how to finish it off. Alrighty, last 2 stitches here. You'll skip the next double crochet and then you're just gonna single crochet only into this turning chain here, which was the chain 2 extra that we did there, which counts as the single crochet as well. And now for the rest of the project, you'll just repeat this row 2 again. So you'll chain 1, which counts as part of it, so put your stitch marker into it. Because those count as a single crochet. And now you'll double crochet into that first stitch, and then you'll skip a stitch. Skip a stitch and single crochet and double crochet into this single crochet one, and just repeat that along until you get your project to the size that you want it to be. That's all there is to this stitch. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.